The baobab is a distinctive and ancient tree genus, Adansonia, native to the African savannas, but also found in Madagascar and parts of Australia. Known as the tree of life for its ability to provide shelter, food, and water, the baobab is revered in many cultures for its unique appearance and ecological importance. There are 9 species of baobab trees, 6 of which are found in Madagascar, 2 in mainland Africa, and 1 in Australia. Here's a comprehensive overview of baobabs. Physical characteristics. Baobabs are known for their massive trunks, which can reach diameters of up to 15 meters, 50 feet, and heights of around 5 to 30 meters, 16 to 98 feet. They are often described as having an upside-down appearance, because their bare branches resemble roots. The trunk is thick and often hollow in older trees. It serves as a water storage system, allowing the tree to endure long periods of drought by storing up to 120,000 liters, 32,000 gallons, of water. Baobabs are deciduous, shedding their leaves in the dry season. The leaves are palmate, meaning they are divided into multiple leaflets, usually 5 to 7. The bark of the baobab is smooth and shiny, often gray or reddish-brown, and has the ability to regenerate after being stripped, which is why people sometimes use it for rope and cloth. Species of baobab. African baobab, Adansonia digitata, the most well-known species, native to mainland Africa and the iconic baobab of the African savanna. Grenadier's baobab, Adansonia grenadieri, endemic to Madagascar. This species has a tall, slender trunk and is often considered the most majestic of the baobabs. Phony baobab, Adansonia robusta, also found in Madagascar. It has a bottle-shaped trunk and colorful bark. Australian baobab, Adansonia gregorii, known as the Baobab. This species is native to northwestern Australia. It has a bulbous trunk similar to African species, but tends to be shorter. Habitat. Baobabs are found in semi-arid regions of Africa, Madagascar, and Australia. They thrive in dry, open savannas and scrublands, where their ability to store water in their trunks gives them a significant advantage during droughts. In Madagascar, baobabs are found in the dry deciduous forests and are often regarded as keystone species in these ecosystems. Lifespan. Baobabs are incredibly long-lived and can survive for over 1,000 years. Some trees are estimated to be 2,000 to 3,000 years old. Their longevity is due to their ability to store water, regenerate tissue, and resist fires and droughts. Ecological importance. Water storage. Baobabs are often referred to as water trees due to their ability to store vast amounts of water in their trunks. This makes them vital to both humans and animals during dry periods. Food source. Baobabs produce a nutrient-rich fruit known as the baobab fruit or monkey bread. The fruit pulp is high in vitamin C, calcium, potassium, and antioxidants. The seeds, leaves, and bark are also used as food or traditional medicine. Shelter and habitat. Baobabs provide shelter for many animals, birds, and insects. Their large, hollow trunks can serve as homes for small mammals and birds, and their flowers attract pollinators like fruit bats. Cultural significance. The baobab holds a special place in the mythology and folklore of many African cultures. In some legends, the baobab is said to have been uprooted and planted upside down by the gods, explaining its unique appearance. It is often called the tree of life due to its ability to provide multiple resources: food, water, medicine, and shelter. Uses of baobab. The baobab fruit is consumed in many African countries. The dry pulp is often mixed with water to make a refreshing drink or turned into powders that are used in smoothies and health foods due to its high nutritional content. The baobab tree has numerous traditional medicinal uses. The bark, leaves, and fruit are used in treating various ailments such as fevers, diarrhea, and inflammation. Modern studies have also recognized the potential health benefits of baobab products due to their rich antioxidant properties. The bark is used for making rope, cloth, baskets, and paper. Since the bark can regenerate, stripping it for these purposes doesn't harm the tree as long as it is done carefully. Reproduction and flowers. Baobabs bloom during the rainy season, producing large, white, or yellowish flowers that hang down on long stalks. The flowers are typically pollinated by bats at night, though some species are also pollinated by moths and other nocturnal insects. The flowers open in the evening and have a strong scent that attracts pollinators. After pollination, baobabs produce large, oval, woody pods filled with a dry, powdery pulp and kidney-shaped seeds. The fruit is often called monkey bread and is prized for its nutritional value. Conservation status. While baobabs are not generally endangered, several species, particularly in Madagascar, are threatened due to deforestation, agricultural expansion, and climate change. The Grenadier's baobab, for instance, is considered endangered due to habitat loss. Some ancient baobabs in Africa have mysteriously started dying off in recent years, raising concerns among scientists. The cause is believed to be related to climate change, though the exact reasons are still being studied. Interesting facts. Hollow trunks. Many baobabs, especially as they age, develop hollow trunks. These cavities can be so large that they've been used as homes, stores, or even chapels in rural African communities. Carbon dating. Some of the oldest known baobabs have been carbon dated to be more than 2,000 years old, making them some of the longest living trees on the planet. Baobab in literature. The baobab features prominently in Antoine de Saint-Exupéry's famous novella, The Little Prince, where the prince fears that the baobabs will overtake his small planet if left unchecked. Adaptations. Water conservation. The baobab's ability to store massive amounts of water allows it to survive in arid environments. During droughts, the tree can draw upon this stored water to sustain itself. Fire and drought resistance. The thick bark of the baobab protects it from wildfires, and its ability to store water makes it exceptionally drought resistant. The baobab is an iconic and ecologically vital tree in the regions it inhabits. Its striking appearance, coupled with its many uses for both humans and animals, makes it a symbol of life and survival in harsh environments. However, conservation efforts are needed to ensure that these magnificent trees, particularly those species in Madagascar, continue to thrive for future generations.